Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei P30 PRO. Today I'll show you how to change home and work location in Google Maps. So firstly, let's open Google Maps and tap button in the right corner. Go to Settings and tap Edit Home or Work. Currently we've got some pins set, so let me remove them and let's tap on Home firstly. Enter home address or choose point on map. Let me just turn on location. And maybe let's put our pin right here. We can do the same thing with work. We can enter home work address or choose point on map. Let's put it right here. Okay, now when our home and work address are set, we can go back and navigate from home to work. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.